everyone. So the other day, CJ and I were walking through the grocery store and we decided to go past the bulk section and we saw these chia seeds and we got this crazy thought, can these grow into microgreens? So we bought this bag here and that way we can figure that out. All right, so let's go over the parameters of this test now. So we have two 10 by 20 trays, which both have Biostrate grow medium in them. We went ahead and seeded both trays with 25 grams of store-bought chia seed, and we will not be stacking these because the seed is mucilaginous. However, we will be putting blackout domes on these for 2 to 3 days, and during that 2 to 3 day period, we'll be misting these with water. After these have gone through the blackout period and we uncover them, we're going to start bottom watering them. For this side over here, we'll be using regular purified H2O. And then for this side, we got another crazy one, coconut water. We were going through the grocery store and once again thought, hey, can you grow with it? So we're going to try giving that a try. Because it has a lot of different nutrients in it, we figured maybe it'd work the same way as using actual nutrients. So we're going to find out. All right, so we've already gone ahead and misted both trays and now they're ready for the blackout domes. So I'm going to get those put on and then we'll put them on the shelf behind me and we'll give you guys a day-by-day update until it's time to add the crazy waters. Our water side is looking fantastic all the way across, and our coconut water side is looking pretty good. There's this one area that it got poor germination, but it's looking like that should catch up to the rest of the tray. It is day 5 of my store-bought chia test, and if you can recall, this one over here is being watered with just water, and this one over here was being watered with coconut water. And we're gonna go ahead and throw the coconut water one out. You can grow it for up to 5 days, as we found out, but it starts to smell very bad, and we don't want that in our small space. So this one is out, but the water chia test, we're going to continue that for another 5 days until harvest, and we'll see how much we get from this guy. It is day 8 of our store-bought chia test, which we're gonna go ahead and call that harvest day as well. But let's take a quick recap on the test so far. So as you guys already know, the coconut water test that was supposed to be like the crazy growth thing, yeah, it made our whole space smell very bad. So we went ahead and tossed that out, but we did continue this one here just because it was still that curiosity of can we grow with store-bought seeds? Which we can. We got beautiful growth here, and we continue to bottom water this with our regular water throughout the rest of its growth cycle. And now that we are at this point, we're going to go ahead and harvest this, which I'm going to do real quick now. Wow, look at that weight. Sorry, I bumped a little bit, but we got 201 grams from 25 grams of store-bought chia seed, which first off, we weren't even sure if this was going to grow from the store. So to see that number is actually fantastic. We did go ahead and taste test it off camera. The taste is very strong, and I would not suggest eating this by itself. but I think if you like mixed it in with things, it would taste pretty good. It would add a very unique kind of like citrus tart flavor to it in a sense. But I mean, our tests work, it grew, and I'm excited with that. I had so much fun doing this test for you guys, even though I was a little bit bummed out that our coconut water one didn't work, because I was like, oh, it's weird and exciting. But I would have rather put that out than our whole space just smell the way that it did. But on the bright side, store-bought chia seed did work for us, and it was really cool seeing the growth on this. I would encourage you guys to go out and go get those seeds from those stores and just try it for fun. I don't know if this would be a product that you would want to sell to people, but as a fun project to do, maybe with your kids or something, do it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and close this one out and call this test done. So now if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more, subscribe to us. We're always doing crazy little experiments and just kind of trying to have a good time with growing. And also, if you would like to have any, or if you do have any questions or comments, leave them below. We love to answer those. And if you would like to follow us, you can follow us on Instagram at On The Grow Farms. Thank you and have a great day.